Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to download the free version of Tableau. So first of all, go on Google and type Tableau. Now click on the official website of Tableau, which is tableau.com. Once the home page is loaded, you will see the product on the top menu and click on Tableau Public. So once the Tableau Public website appears, all you have to do is click on Create and download the Tableau Public edition. Click on the button Download Tableau Public and fill up the form. Now it might ask you for a business email. Because I do not have any business email, you can also write your Gmail email. And your downloading should start automatically, and if it doesn't, click on the operating system you are using. There we go. So my downloading has been completed. I'll click on the downloaded file. Yes, I have read and accepted the terms and conditions, and don't send me product usage data, and click on install. Now your Tableau should be up and running. Now to make your very first Tableau project, watch the next part. Hey, I bet you want to impress everyone. Click on the next video.